How to make vegetable egg drop soup like a pro. I'll guide you through every step of the way. You only need 10 minutes.
In Chinese, egg drop soup is called 蛋花汤. The direct translation is called egg flour soup. It refers to the silky egg ribbons inside the soup. It's super perfect for any occasion.
In a bowl, crack the eggs inside. Whisk. In a bowl, add the cornstarch and water. Whisk.
This will thicken our soup and give it a slightly soaky texture. You could also replace it with sweet potato starch or potato starch.
In a pot over high heat, pour the chicken stock inside and season it with salt. Mix well. You could add more or less based on your preference.
Egg drop soup is super versatile. You can add anything you like in it. Think of it like a blank canvas and you are the artist. You can make it into a masterpiece that you and your family will enjoy. So please comment below and share with me what are you planning to add into your egg drop soup.
Bring it to a boil. Then add the carrots, king oyster mushrooms, cabbage, and corn kernels to the pot. Cook for about 3 minutes. Followed by the cornstarch slurry. Quickly stir until it is thickened and bring it to a complete boil. In a circular motion, slowly pour the eggs inside. Let it set for about 30 seconds and gently stir. If you prefer thick egg ribbons like mine, wait for the eggs to set and then stir gently.
If you prefer small egg ribbons, quickly stir as you pour the eggs into the pot.
Lastly, add the white pepper, sesame oil, and scallions. Making vegetable egg drop soup at home is quick and easy. The freshness of the ingredients and the flavors beat any takeout. Plus, it's so much healthier and more affordable.
I love the healthy vegetables and the silky egg ribbons. So good. And in the past, I also made another egg drop soup recipe that you can make in just 5 minutes. So easy and so tasty. Check out the video right here. And please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!